The European perspective is to have a diplomatic solution for the nuclear program of Iran. The initial JCPOA, like it was mentioned in 2015, addressed exactly that, and of course it was regrettable that the US withdrew from this agreement at one point. Still, I mean, we try to achieve this diplomatic, peaceful solution. Then on next days, what to expect. Of course, we have called on both parties to exercise restraint and de-escalate. Of course, one is saying that if the other one stops, they will stop as well. But it is clear that we have these channels open, and we are constantly pushing for really to stop this war, because the risks for escalation and the risks of spillover effect are too great. Also, the risks of miscalculation, which is making this conflict even bigger.